We are from T-Fiber, Government of Telangana. Actually, I am very much thankful to our CNC for organizing this every year. Today, it's a flood of people. Even we were confused how to manage these people. So many people, and everybody is eager to know what are the services.
We Claron Fiber Optics are very much happy with the response we got in CNC Expo 11th edition.
Every year it is really making more and more excitement.
This is our first time participating in the CNC. It's really good, and I really love the facility what you have given. It's really value for money.
Happening events, and today happens to be one of the best days that I have seen. And every year that we've been participating for the last 5 years, CNC has been growing by leaps and bounds. This time it has been done exclusively well. So wish you all the very best, and I hope you guys have a rocking time ahead also. Thank you very much.
We are very happy with the CNC group. They are directly very happy to come here and also participate with us.
We have been participating from 5 years now, and it is good, and it is growing more and more. So it is good for the digital technology which is coming in ISP and cable TV sector.
చాలా బాగా రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంది. అందరూ very much satisfied.
And many expo I just saw. CNC is really good, and morning to till evening, we are very busy.
Lot of crowd, and the purpose which we are into over here. So the purpose has been solved so far.
First of all, it's a great pleasure to be back here in Hyderabad. It's a real opportunity to connect with all the visitors, with a lot of questions, a lot of engagements. So it feels very warm, very good, very good.